by the additional district sessions court. So both have applied for anticipatory bail and police were looking out for them, Sarpanch and Secretary. So the role will be probed. One has written the resolution which was not part of the agenda. Sarpanch brought it in the agenda. And one Sarpanch has issued all 33 licenses.
So police are on the right
to one particular survey number. All the 4 days this matter is discussed in the assembly.
So police are on the right track, you mean to say?
Police are doing their duty and they will do their duty, and it is with the court to decide whether who is guilty or not. We cannot decide.
सर दुसरा विषय म्हणटा पळय तो आतां 4 दिसांची असेंब्ली सेशन आशिल्लें, हाऊ वॉज इट?
So assembly session was good. With this session, I think a lot of cautions, answers are given, and follow-up needs to be done by all the MLAs to see that their work is being done or the fulfillment of their promises as per the assurance. And we hardly have 9 months to go for the assembly election.
Okay. Thank you.